Okay, so now let's set some expectations for you. Our mission objective with this course is to learn about affiliate promotions. Now, I'm going to give you a fast action plan to get started in affiliate promotions, and I'm going to give you some direction. It really is not very complicated. It's actually a very simple system, and it's not something that you should fret over. You don't have to have any special skills or knowledge or anything. Just follow instructions as I put them together for you. Of course, you can benefit from expanding your knowledge base. Now, like I said, I have over 200 courses. A lot of them have to do with offline consulting, and some of them have to do with online stuff. It's going to be up to you to go out there and find the courses that are going to expand your skills and put more tools in your toolbox. That's going to be up to you. And then, of course, I have an email list and I have my communities, and of course, you can get direction from there, right? But I will give you some direction in this course. I'll also supply some resources to you and give you some templates to get you going. Okay, so now what you put into this and other courses is what you will get out. If you put a little effort in, you can get your first sale. Or you may get no sales, right? But typically you get a little effort into something, you'll get a little something out of it. You put half an effort in there, you can do $500 a day very easily. If you give it your total effort, you can see $5,000 to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000. Depends on a lot of factors. I'm not saying you can make 20 grand doing this overnight. It's not what I'm saying. Possibility is there to do this. There are tons of affiliates who are doing many multiples of these numbers. What you will do, though, is you will learn online marketing. You will learn how to build a list of buyers, and you will open doors of opportunity for you that exist in the online space.